Hello leaders, lovely family, the professionals. So, as a CEO of professionals, GE Prime Igiraneza Yves, mfashe umwanya kugira ngo nshimire by'umwihariko aba challengers ba the champions. Abantu muri professionals ariko babashije gutsindira challenges zo muri the champions team international. So n'abantu rero beza agaciro by'umwihariko kuko n'abantu baduhesha ishema muri equipe nini, equipe y'umubyeyi, equipe y'abantu barenga ibihumbi by'abantu hirya no hino ku isi bakabasha kuba batsinze. Ni ukuvuga ngo mu bantu 30 bose batsinze Champions Challenge mu kwezi kwa gatandatu harimo abantu 12 bose bo muri the professionals. Bawe! So ndashimira by'umwihariko rero Iradukunda Yvette upcoming Silver Executive Prime. Ndagushimira by'umwihariko ko yabashije kuboneka mu bantu batsindiye iyi challenge. Nkashimira Kanamugire Enoch upcoming Silver Executive Prime wabashije gutsindira iyi challenge. Nkashimira upcoming Gold Executive Prime CEO Prosperous Gentil Mujahidi wabashije gutsindira iyi challenge. Nkashimira kandi nanone Ubonikuzo Eric upcoming Silver Executive Prime wabashije gutsindira iyi challenge na triple maintenance mu kwezi kwa gatandatu k'uyu mwaka wa 2021. Nkashimira Twagira Moise wabashije gutsindira iyi challenge. Nkashimira kandi byimazeyo Ingabire Joseline nawe yabashije gutsindira iyi challenge, umukobwa muto cyane muri business kuko amaze amezi atarenze 3 ariko yabashije kuba umuwina muri iyi challenge ya champions. Nkashimira nanone by'umwihariko Uwimana Samia ari mu gihugu cya Oman ku mugabane wa Aziya akora business ariho yibereye ariko n'umwe mu bantu bari mu challenge bikomeye cyane is an upcoming Gold Executive Prime. Uyu Silver Executive already mu mezi ya 3 yari yamaze kuba Silver Executive, abasha no gukomeza kuba rero mutsinzi muri iyi Champions Challenge. Nkashimira by'umwihariko nanone the newest Silver Executive Prime Chinyumuremyi Asman nawe yabashije kuboneka mu bantu batsindiye challenge ya the Champions. Ndashimira kandi Niyonzima Age Jemuve yabashije gutsindira iyi challenge ya triple maintenance mu kwezi kwa gatandatu. Nkashimira turi kumwe nayo Daniel aka Abdulrashid wabashije gutsindira iyi challenge mu kwezi kwa gatandatu. Nkashimira Top Anna Iradukunda Faida upcoming Gold Executive Prime wabashije gutsindira iyi challenge ya triple maintenance. Nkashimira kandi nanone Boss Lady upcoming Silver Executive Prime Iradukunda Sylvie. So much more congratulations all of you leaders.